be a shorter overview of a newly framed, double framed, Under the Wing 75, the Martyrdom of Liebl, who was my mother's, an uncle of my mother. Would have been a great uncle to me. And he and his wife Hendel and their 2 children, who were first cousins of my mom and my mom's siblings, the family all vanished into the abyss of the Holocaust, perpetrated by the Third Reich and embraced by the Church, the Protestant and Roman Catholic churches. Okay, we have both a metaphorical wing on his right shoulder on viewer's left, Liebl, and we have allegorical sea monsters. The background to this other imagery, which is fairly abstract, came from 2 books, so viewers can read the text on those in the text description of this work on my website. All right, there you have it. Uniquely framed, the double framed